orange color, it's an orange color. O for orange, O for orange. O, orange. O, orange. Orange sun, orange carrot, orange robo, orange bus, orange, orange. It's a green color, it's a green color. G for green, G for green. G, g, green, g, g, green. Green tree, green grapes, green grass, green dinosaur, green house. It's a white color, it's a white color. W for white, W for white. V, v, white, v, v, white. White shirt, white teddy bear, white glass, white car, white cloud. It's a red color, it's a red color. R for red, R for red. R, r, red, r, r, red. Red robo, red apple, red rose, red jeep, red shoes. It's a yellow color, it's a yellow color. Y for yellow, Y for yellow. Y, yellow. Y, yellow. Yellow banana, yellow chick, yellow flower, yellow honeybee, yellow cheese. It's a pink color, it's a pink color. P for pink, P for pink. P, pink. P, pink. Pink bed, pink plate, pink vase, pink dress, pink ribbon. It's a black color, it's a black color. B for black, B for black. B, black. B, black. Black bird, black horse, black hat, black shoes, black bag. It's a blue color, it's a blue color. B for blue, B for blue. B, blue. B, blue. Blue bird, blue balloons, blue cap, blue blocks, blue umbrella. It's a purple color, it's a purple color. P for purple, P for purple. P, purple. P, purple. Purple umbrella, purple flowers, purple heart, purple brinjal, purple buttons. It's a brown color, it's a brown color. B for brown, B for brown. B, brown. B, brown. Brown boot, brown bag, brown bear, brown cake, brown belt. Hope today you have learned colors with sounds and objects. Keep learning.
Please like, share, subscribe Coco Kids TV. Thank you.